Alright, most powerful candlestick pattern. One thing always remember, candlestick pattern are not reliable unless it's not appear in a right location. So we need a right location to apply this candlestick pattern. So here I will discuss 5 most powerful candlestick pattern. And most of the people are using different candlestick pattern, but I use 5 type of candlestick pattern. This one, number 1, bullish or bearish pin bar. This is called pin bar. So we are using a pin bar in various trading strategy. Now see, this is a bullish pin bar. Suppose we have seen price just open somewhere here, price drop but not able to sustain, and again a bull push the price higher and they create a new high and close somewhere here. Now in this area we have seen close and high, and they create this one low. When they form this type of candlestick pattern, we are expecting that price will go up from that area. So similarly here you can see that was high, open, close, and this one low. So remember, color doesn't matter, we need the shape only. So next candle here you can see this one open, close and high, all are same but they create a new low. So similarly here you can see they create high, open and close are same, and that is the low. So when they are forming this type of candle, we are expecting price will continue. So one thing always remember, don't go for buy by seeing this type of candlestick pattern. This candlestick pattern should appear in a right place, or is right place and a right direction. So let me tell you like that. Let me suppose price is running an uptrend. All right, so after that price just given a retracement, and finally they form a bullish pin bar. So once they appear, at that time there should be some supporting line. Right now here I can see this is the supporting line, exactly they are forming above this supporting line and trend is up. So once they appear, so we are placing buy order. All right, so if price is running in a downtrend, all right, downtrend, or at that time they are running somewhere, they are forming like hammer pattern, don't go for. So suppose support is somewhere here and price this candlestick pattern are forming above this supporting line. Right here you can see it's too far from the supporting line, don't go for buy. Trend is down and support is too far from this area, so don't place buy order in that case. So similarly here you can see it is a opposite. All right, this is called bearish pin bar. Okay, this one number 1. Let's check it. Number 2 most powerful candlestick pattern I applied. This is called tweezer pattern. In the tweezer pattern, here you can see this one open, close, next candle open and close. All right, so when we combine both of them, how it will look like that. So open somewhere here, first candle. So suppose here is the open and price retrace. So see, like price retrace, okay, somewhere close here, next candle like close here, next candle open somewhere same place, same area, they open somewhere, again price push up to this level and close somewhere here. So when we have seen, it will look like a pin bar. So once they appear, we are expecting that price will continue from this area. Remember, this pattern should appear above supporting line. Another here you can see this is a bearish tweezer pattern. So price is running like in a downtrend, and here you can see they even temporarily correction. After that they are forming, so we'll place our sell order and price will continue. We are expecting that price will continue from that area. And the next here you can see this is called a morning star or evening star. For buy, we are looking for morning star. All right, let me show you what is the behavior. So let's see, price is running in an uptrend. Okay, price is running in an uptrend like that. So after that they are giving a correction. All right, so somewhere here we have seen support and they form a morning star. So once they appear this type of candlestick pattern, so we are expecting that price will continue from this area. So we'll place our buy order somewhere above this candle. So similarly here you can see price are running in a downtrend like that, like that, like that, and they are temporarily they are giving a correction, and after that they are forming a morning star. All right, sorry, this is called evening star. So once they appear, we are looking for short, and we are expecting price will continue from that area. So let's see another. This is called one white shoulder. All right, what is the meaning of that? Let me show you the behavior of this candle. Now suppose price is running in a downtrend like that. Here we are running like that, like that, and next candle we have seen they open somewhere here and close somewhere here. After that, next candle we have seen that is called gap up, open in a gap up. Have you seen that was a lower point and they create a new higher low and they create a higher high. Price open in a gap up and close above previous day or previous candle, open somewhere here and close somewhere here next candle. So once they appear this type of candlestick pattern, this is called one white soldier. When one white soldier appearing, we are expecting that price will continue from that area. And remember, this is very powerful candlestick pattern. Most of the time I am using this candlestick pattern. All right, so even I'm focusing on daily chart when they are forming daily this type of pattern, so definitely I will go to that side. So similarly here you can see price are going like that, like that. They hit that resistance line. All right, that was a bullish, open somewhere here and close somewhere here. Next day price open a gap down. This is open and close below previous candle. All right, so that was lower point previous candle, and the next candle closed below this previous candle, and they are not able to break previous higher point. Have you seen it? They are not able to break this previous higher point. So once appear this type of candlestick pattern, this is called one black crow for the bearish. So once they appear, we are looking for short after, remember, not somewhere here, not somewhere here, after breaking this lower point. So suppose they break this level, so we place our sell order somewhere below this area, and we are expecting price will continue from this area. So when we will analyze about this trading strategy, so we are focusing this type of candlestick pattern. Okay, next bullish and bearish engulfing. So it's I think most of the people knows about that one. All right, so let's see, price is running in a downtrend like that. So most of the people are using in a two way. One is price is running in an uptrend, and temporarily they are giving a correction. After that they are forming a engulfing pattern. So once they're forming this engulfing pattern, we are expecting that price will continue from this area. This is a scenario number one. And the scenario number two, price are running in a downtrend, and finally somewhere support are there below, and after that they are forming this engulfing pattern. So once they appear this engulfing pattern, it is a probability to reverse the trend from downside to upside. It is a probability, but this candlestick pattern should appear in a right place. Where is the right place? We have seen some support are there. If support is too far from that area, leave it. All right, so what is the behavior here? You can see we have seen this is the open and close. Next day or next candle, we have seen price just open in a gap down and close above the previous lower point. So previous candle lower point is somewhere, but close next candle, so it's like a engulfed by this this bullish candle. All right, that is called bullish engulfing. So it is opposite. This is called bearish engulfing pattern. Right now here I can see two scenario. Price is running in a downtrend. All right, so price retrace for temporarily, and after that they are forming this bearish engulfing pattern. So once they appear, we are expecting price will continue from this area. That means downtrend will continue. And another scenario we have seen, price is running an uptrend, 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 and exactly below this resistance, somewhere here resistance line, they appear this candlestick pattern. So once they appear, we are expecting that price will trend will change from that area and it will continue toward downside.